Good morning. My name's Lenny Waters. I'm a Cobar man. I come from Gilmore mission station originally. I want to just do a little short story for you because I always think it's important to about the flying fox who's called a garmin or the babaya. And the birds have wings, and he said, you don't have no wings. But he persisted and persisted. So the creator picked him up by the legs. And he used to do this when people come from all over the place, come together as one people. And done with the old spirit bush here, which is called guttery or wither bush, and it's full of oils, and it's got a
Sorry. Thank you.
It's wither bush, or we call it guttery. The old people don't, they call it sand.
So I must be cleansed of a lot of things. Yeah. They pick you out there, did they?
Had that amazing welcome to country by really fitting as we launch the Gil Bennet Collection.
I know some of them have travelled quite some distance, so it's great that club that he actually grew it into an organisation that actually worked very, very well together and created some wonderful collections that got through the Creative Capital Fund. Has actually put it in a situation here now where it's a real legacy. It's great. So from what I can do is say thank you, Warwick and Null. And Null's wife Wendy here is with him today. And Margaret Pass have actually given to
the Library Club as well. They've been with us for years and have helped kind of Gil collection be, utilised. And he'd always show you something that he's just made, just cleaned, a new room he's built, or a new display.
Wales Government under the Creative Capital Grant, and